Hey guys, today's skincare summary is on rice. Got rice? Rice has been used as a natural beauty treatment for thousands of years to relieve inflammation, cleanse, and soften the skin. During the Heian period, Japanese court ladies used rice water extract, or yusuru, to comb their hair each day, resulting in long and healthy hair. Yao women of the Hanglao village in China still cleanse their hair with fermented rice water. Scientific studies in 2010 revealed that washing hair with rice water decreases surface friction and increases elasticity, resulting in hair that stays stronger and healthier for longer. Left to ferment, rice water becomes a variable, anti-aging elixir. Its benefits are skin brightening, anti-wrinkle, hydrating, firming, balance uneven skin tone, and fades dark spots. It's rich in minerals, antioxidants, B and E vitamins, and helps boost cell regeneration, keeping the skin bright and supple. It can improve damaged skin from the sun. Rice wine can increase the collagen in the skin and help prevent wrinkling. There are 3 DIY methods on making rice water. First, you can boil it. You can soak the rice. Or lastly, and most beneficial, is fermented rice water. Here are some examples of some products that contain rice ingredient. Hopefully this was a helpful video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!